How does pollution threaten global biodiversity? Imagine a world where every drop of water, breath of air, and patch of soil is filled with substances that shouldn't be there. That's what pollution does to our planet's living things. It introduces harmful chemicals, plastics, excess nutrients, noise, and light into ecosystems faster than nature can clean them up. This causes a chain reaction that disrupts the balance of ecosystems and puts many species at risk. Pollution can poison animals directly. For example, chemicals from factories or farms can run off into rivers and oceans, contaminating water sources. Fish and other aquatic creatures absorb these toxins, which can make them sick or even kill them. When larger animals eat these contaminated fish, the toxins move up the food chain, affecting many species. Plastic waste is another big problem. Marine animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to choking, internal injuries, or starvation. Sea turtles, seabirds, and whales are especially vulnerable to plastic ingestion and entanglement. Air pollution also plays a major role. When pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides mix with water vapor in the air, they create acid rain. Acid rain damages forests, lakes, and soil, making it hard for plants and animals to survive. It can weaken trees and harm aquatic life by changing the pH of water bodies. In terrestrial environments, pollution can degrade habitats, making them unsuitable for many species. Freshwater and marine environments are especially sensitive to pollution. Over the last few decades, pollution levels in oceans and lakes have increased dramatically. This has led to the decline of hundreds of species, including turtles, seabirds, and marine mammals. These ecosystems are vital for the health of the planet and for providing resources like food and clean water. Pollution doesn't act alone. It interacts with other threats like habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species. For example, noise pollution from ships and boats can disturb animal behaviors like hunting and mating. Chemical pollutants can weaken animals' ability to adapt to changing climates. When multiple threats combine, they speed up the loss of biodiversity and can cause local or even global extinctions. The loss of biodiversity from pollution affects humans too. Ecosystems provide services such as pollination for crops, regulation of diseases, and recycling nutrients in the environment. When pollution reduces the number of species, these services become less reliable, which can threaten food supplies, health, and economies worldwide. In short, pollution threatens global biodiversity by contaminating ecosystems, harming species directly, and weakening habitats. It also interacts with other environmental problems, making the situation worse. Tackling pollution is essential to keep the variety of life on Earth healthy and to protect the natural systems humans depend on every day. Understanding how pollution impacts our planet helps us see why reducing it is so important for a sustainable future.